Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm excited to guide you through the process of utilizing CapCut Pro on your PC without any cost. We'll dive into the various features and functionalities that this powerful video editing software offers, making it accessible for all users. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right into the video, where I will demonstrate step by step how to get started and maximize your editing experience with CapCut Pro.
Make sure your software version 4.3.0. Fast, go to Chrome browser and search uptodown.com and download this exe file. I'm already downloading the software, so I'm not downloading it again now. Now you need to download this Urban VPN. It's optional. Now install this software. Don't open this at night. Open CapCut file location. Now cut this file and move to the desktop. And uninstall the CapCut from here. Make sure to open it with WinRAR software. Open Urban VPN and select United States. Hit open. Now you can see that it shows Pro. Don't update this one.
Now I'm using Pro Features my video. Now you can off VPN. Now you can see the pop-up. I'm using Pro Future of CapCut Pro, but don't worry, back to edit and uninstall the app, but make sure keep user data on clicks. And make sure your internet connection is disabled.
Now you can see this magic, but don't worry, your data isn't lost. Alright, you can use this effect in Transition Pro, but I can export without any purchase. So, alright guys, this is for you, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook profile. Thanks for watching, guys.